Hey everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. I am Michelle, and today I am going to make a nice, refreshing, cold green bean salad. It's a perfect time of year for this. It's 101 degrees in the valley today, which is just a tad bit too warm to be doing anything outside. I got this recipe out of a Sunset magazine way back in the 1990s, and it's been a family favorite ever since, so let's get to it. We're going to start by juicing 2 lemons that have already been zested, as you can see. Just the zest, don't get pithy. Pithy is the white part. We're going to squeeze that into a measuring cup. You don't need a whole lot of dressing for this. This is basically a lemon juice dressing, like my Aunt Joe's dressing that I have a video about. Just under a half a cup. To that half cup of lemon juice, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of a good olive oil. To that, we're going to press 4 cloves of fresh garlic. Don't use jarred garlic, please. Now we're going to take approximately 6 pieces of fresh basil. I just had to show you this cute little Holly Hobby mug that my neighbor George gave me. Isn't that cute? And now I'm going to slice them. This is called chiffonade, if you want to know the term for it. And then I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut those ribbons so that it will distribute a little more evenly throughout the salad. I'm going to pour the dressing into a small jar. I'm going to add just a little bit of sea salt. Maybe a teaspoon. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator while we go about making the beans themselves. We have a large pan filled with water on the stove, and we're going to bring that to a boil. Meanwhile, I have cut and cleaned 1 pound of fresh green beans. Note that that turns into about 4 cups. I broke the ends off of each bean and broke them into approximately 1-inch pieces. You just want it to be bite-sized. We're going to blanch the green beans. Blanching is a great way to cook your beans quickly, but still preserve their color and their texture. What we're going to do is put these green beans into a boiling pot of water, and in about 3 minutes the water will come back up to a boil. We'll give it about 30 seconds, and then we're going to use our spider to take them out of the pan and plunge them into a bowl of ice water. We are now at a rolling boil, so we are going to add our 4 cups of green beans to the water. When the water comes to a boil, we'll give it 30 seconds, and then we're going to plunge it into ice water. All right, moment of truth. So here's my spider. I'm just going to take them out, shake off the excess boiling water, and like I said, just plunge them into a nice bowl of ice cold water. Put some water in there because that will actually help cool them down quicker than if you put them straight onto ice. They're sinking in there like that. And 1 last bean. There we go. Alrighty, so I have my dressing and I just brought it out of the refrigerator. I'm not going to use all of this, I don't think. I'll just save some for a salad later. Make sure you get some of those bits of garlic in there though. Gonna mix it all together. It smells really good. Now what I'm gonna do is sprinkle some of the basil in there, mix it in. Sprinkle a little bit of the lemon zest, and mix that in. And then just to make it pretty on top, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more of the basil. Got a little dark sitting there. A little bit of the lemon zest. And then we're going to salt and pepper to taste. Okay, see, that was super easy. This is a really refreshing salad to have in the summertime. Thank you so much for stopping by Big Valley Living today and enjoying this recipe with us. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more recipes like this, comment below and consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you coming by, and we hope you have a great day.
See you later, everybody.
Be kind.